Hey everyone, if you're getting an upload error on Behance in 2026, like failed upload, stuck loading, or project not publishing, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Behance upload error step by step. First, open Behance and check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet is the most common cause of upload failure. Next, refresh the page and log out, then log back in. This helps reset your session and fix temporary glitches. Now check your file size. Very large images or videos can easily cause upload errors. After that, make sure your files are in supported formats like JPG, PNG, or MP4. Unsupported formats will not work. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can sometimes block uploads. Now, disable browser extensions like ad blockers and turn off VPN. These can interfere with upload requests. After that, try using another browser like Chrome or Firefox. Sometimes the issue is browser-related. Finally, try uploading in incognito mode. This avoids cache and extension conflicts completely. So, yeah, that's how you fix Behance upload error in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your uploads should work smoothly again. And, if this helped, don't forget to check out more Behance troubleshooting tutorials for beginners.